Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you internal structure of transparent power bank. Here you can see that there is transparent power bank. Few days ago I made this. Making video available on my YouTube channel. You can watch it. In today's video, I want to show you internal structure of this power bank. Now let's open it. There is charging point. Here you can see that there is battery point, battery negative terminal, and there is battery positive terminal. And there is mobile charging point, USB cable, and there is another USB cable. There is type C charging point, battery charging point. So friends, that's all about from my this video. If you like my this video, then don't forget to subscribe. Also press bell icon for my next project notification. So have a great day.